Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a blog post on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. So here you're gonna find home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and here you're gonna find online store and also point of sale. So right now, if you want to create a blog, first of all, click on online store here, and then here under it, you're gonna find themes, blog posts, pages, navigations, and preferences. Go ahead and click on blog posts, and then right here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find the option to create a blog post. So give it a click, and then here, as you can see, guys, you need to add the title for the blog post. So for example, I'm gonna name it tutorial blog like this. And then here is the content. So right now you need to type your blog right here. You can also use the AI to generate a blog for you. For example, I'm gonna type blog about earbuds, click on generate, and then as you can see guys, it's generating a little blog. So I'm going to click on keep. You can also generate it again if you want. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find a lot of options for formatting, making the text bold, italic, and so on. And then if you scroll down right here, you're going to be able to preview how it will look like on the search engine. And you can add also a lot of details like images and so on. And then once you finish, just click on save. And then all of your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.